Dear Duet, a traditional Irish greeting meaning hello, and a warm welcome to our virtual exploration of Ireland, a land where the ethereal dance of myths intertwines with the tangible fabric of reality. In every corner of this enchanting nation, history echoes through the stones, the rolling hills, and the bustling cities. I'm your guide on this odyssey, as we prepare to delve into the rich tapestry of Ireland's past, present, and ever-changing seasons. Over the next few minutes, we'll embark on a journey that transcends mere geography. We will traverse the stunning landscapes that have witnessed centuries of tales, and we'll unravel the secrets hidden in the diverse seasons that paint the Emerald Isle with a myriad of colors. So, whether you're sipping on a comforting cup of your favorite Irish tea, letting the warmth of the blend embrace you, or perhaps enjoying the bold flavors of a pint of the local brew, get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating allure of Ireland. Our adventure begins now. Slainte. Spring, a symphony of blooms and celebration. As winter gracefully exits the stage, Ireland undergoes a vibrant resurgence of life, painting a picture-perfect scene of nature's renewal. Imagine the transition as a masterfully orchestrated symphony, where each element contributes to the harmonious arrival of spring. This season, akin to a breath of fresh air, is particularly enchanting in March, a time when the entire nation unites in a jubilant celebration of St. Patrick's Day. Picture the streets adorned in the brilliant green of the Irish flag, a vibrant display that mirrors the resurgence of life. Lively parades wind through historic cities and charming villages, creating a contagious sense of camaraderie. It's a moment when the Irish spirit shines brightly, welcoming both locals and visitors into a shared experience of joy and festivity. As temperatures hover between a mild 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, spring provides a comfortable canvas for exploration. The Irish countryside transforms into a living canvas, with gardens bursting into a kaleidoscope of colors, showcasing the delicate beauty of blossoming flowers. Amidst this natural spectacle, the playful frolic of newborn lambs adds a touch of innocence to the landscape, creating an immersive experience for nature enthusiasts. As the days lengthen and the sun graces the emerald landscapes, Ireland steps into the vivacious embrace of summer. From June to August, the country undergoes a transformative journey, turning into a lively canvas painted with endless days and cultural vibrancy. The temperatures, ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, set the stage for a plethora of outdoor activities, historical explorations, and the grandeur of summer festivals. In this season of perpetual daylight, the Galway International Arts Festival and the Rose of Tralee Festival emerge as just glimpses into the energetic pulse that beats through the heart of Ireland. Streets come alive with the rhythm of music, lively dance, and the laughter of locals and visitors alike. These festivals, celebrated with an unparalleled fervor, become vibrant showcases of Ireland's artistic spirit, offering a unique glimpse into the country's cultural richness. However, with the warmth and festivities come the inevitable swell of crowds and the adjustment of accommodation prices. As visitors from around the world join the celebration, Ireland becomes a global gathering place, attracting those who seek to experience the country's vibrant spirit at its peak. Summer here is not just a season, it's a celebration of life, an immersion into the heart of Irish culture, and an invitation to revel in the dynamic energy that defines this period. As the sun gracefully descends, Ireland undergoes a breathtaking metamorphosis, revealing a canvas painted in hues of red, gold, and orange. Welcome to autumn, a season that unfolds as a masterpiece of sublime beauty and tranquility. September, with its mild temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, offers the perfect backdrop for those seeking a more contemplative exploration of this enchanting land. Imagine wandering through landscapes ablaze with autumnal colors, each step unveiling the essence of Ireland in a slower, more deliberate pace. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of fallen leaves, and the gentle rustle of the foliage becomes a soothing melody. Autumn in Ireland is an invitation to linger, to appreciate the subtle changes in the landscape, and to embrace the tranquility that permeates the countryside. Cultural events, such as the Dublin Theatre Festival and the Cork Jazz Festival, further enrich the autumn experience. Picture yourself amidst the artistic vibrancy of these events, where the cultural heritage of Ireland converges with contemporary expressions, creating an atmosphere of intellectual and emotional resonance. As the year draws to a close, Ireland unveils a different kind of magic. Winter, while milder compared to its European counterparts, weaves a tapestry of cozy charm across the landscape. The temperatures, ranging from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, create an atmosphere that invites snug evenings in traditional Irish pubs, where the crackling fireplace provides a warm embrace, and the camaraderie of locals and travelers alike forms an indelible connection. Winter is a season of exploration, not in the bustling streets and crowded attractions, but in the quieter, more intimate corners of Ireland. While some attractions may have reduced hours, this time of year provides a unique opportunity for a more personal and authentic experience. Picture yourself strolling through quaint villages adorned with festive lights, the soft glow illuminating narrow cobblestone streets that whisper tales of centuries past. Savoring hearty Irish stews becomes more than a culinary experience, it becomes a ritual, a celebration of the rich flavors and traditions that define Irish cuisine. The holiday season brings forth a festive spirit that envelopes cities like Dublin and Belfast. Christmas markets offer a delightful array of handcrafted treasures and seasonal treats, creating a sensory journey through the heart of winter festivities. Navigating Ireland's enchanting landscapes requires a certain level of preparedness, especially considering its famously unpredictable weather. The key is to pack strategically, with layers that can be easily added or removed as the Irish climate shifts. A waterproof jacket, comfortable walking shoes, and a sturdy umbrella can prove to be invaluable companions. Checking the local forecast regularly allows you to adapt your plans accordingly, ensuring that you're ready for rain, sunshine, or the occasional gust of wind. Timing is everything when it comes to experiencing the true essence of Ireland. If you find yourself captivated by the lively energy of summer festivals, be prepared for the surge in crowds and accommodation prices. Planning well in advance and securing your accommodations early can help alleviate some of the stress associated with high-demand periods. On the other hand, if you seek a more serene exploration, autumn might be your ideal season. As the crowds thin out, Ireland's landscapes take on a tranquil allure, allowing for a more intimate connection with its beauty. Choosing to visit during local festivals can provide an even deeper immersion into Ireland's rich culture, as these events often reflect the heart and soul of the communities they represent. Ireland, with its diverse seasons and rich cultural tapestry, stands as an open invitation to travelers seeking a profound connection with nature and history. Each season unfolds a unique chapter, allowing you to tailor your visit to your preferences. Whether you're dancing in the lively parades of St. Patrick's Day, exploring the historical wonders amidst the warmth of summer, relishing the tranquility of autumn, or immersing yourself in the festive charm of winter, Ireland offers an experience that resonates with every soul. As we conclude this journey through Ireland's seasons, my hope is that you feel not only inspired, but also well prepared to embark on your own adventure through the Emerald Isle. Ireland is a country that beckons exploration, a place where every hill, castle, and coastline tells a story waiting to be discovered. May the insights shared here guide you in creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through Ireland. If you found the information valuable and enjoyed the visual exploration, do let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that resonates with you. Don't forget to express your appreciation by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel for more travel-related insights, and ringing that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. As we bid farewell, I extend my heartfelt thanks for joining us on this virtual expedition through Ireland. Stay tuned for more captivating travel content in our next video. Until then, may your travels be filled with discovery and joy. Slainte, and may your journey be as rich and diverse as the landscapes we've traversed today. Goodbye, and see you in the next adventure.